I hold him up.
When them say one wig you have,
They left it on the chair now. You never see it on the chair.
Chair dog, you know that.
You never see if it drop on the ground.
Yeah man, all the ground, I check to you know that.
No man, they left it on the chair man. You want to take up your lighter, my general. You sure you need to run just all along the lighter drop out of your pocket?
No dog, if you have some pocket, would run come over your feet.
Hey, I don't know where
Dog, you sure now my lighter?
So where you try say me a liar? Me I tell you some now your lighter bro and you ask me if I'm sure, me a liar. You don't trust me.
Alright, well I make a call.
Dog, I them thing I make my friend them in the dog. My you, look what you accuse me for, brother. Look what you accuse me for, dog. Dog, just make we just done left it here, sir. I could just left it here, sir, bro.
Yo, say no answer your phone.
Eh?
Answer it, man.
But wait, I want to you me monkey. What's a you me monkey crave you, man? What me I tell you? You can't ugly and crave a certain man. You have to delete one of them, man. Either you ugly and no crave me, or you no crave me and no ugly. Something have to delete, man. You too crave me, man. Anytime you see food here, you can't. Such a bumbo like that, man. Alright, you me monkey. That they meet the shorter season. Move from there. Again, 1, 2, 3, let me go. My father was a Chinese, and my mother was a Indian. And everywhere I go in the whole Bible, there's no way you get a language from, so I tell them, Dayum, Sium, Dayum, Sayum, Dayum, Dayum. Again, 1, 2, 3, let me go. My father was a Chinese, and my mother was a Indian. And everywhere I go in the whole Bible, there's no way you get a language from, so I tell them, Dayum, Sium, Dayum, Sayum, Dayum, Dayum, Sium, Dayum, Again, 1, 2, 3, let me go. My father was a Chinese, and my mother was a Indian. And everywhere I go in the whole Bible, there's no way you get a language from, so I tell them, Dayum, Sium, Dayum, Sayum, Dayum, Dayum, Sium, Dayum, Again, 1, 2, 3, let me go. My father was a Chinese, and my mother was a Indian. And everywhere I go in the whole Bible, there's no way you get a language from, so I tell them, Dayum, Sium, Dayum, Sayum, Dayum, Dayum, Sium, Dayum.
Because this a taxi man and mean. AC, I walk in a car and I'm a fan. What's it? Eh? What a mean taxi man. Eh? Rain a fall and the man cracking window and fall. Eh? Wicked taxi man this, you know. Watch out. Because the man wicked man.
Thank you very much for this, for giving me this. And I appreciate my friends also. My wife and my girlfriend. My wife. Yeah, sorry to say. I'm so sorry, my wife. Listen, I love you so much.
Good afternoon, Mrs. Paulette. I am calling from Venture Supreme Limited. We did a raffle and you have won $1 million and a brand new BMW Porsche Jaguar. No, miss. We did a raffle. We did a raffle. And you won $1 million and a new beam. No, I don't eat ruffles. We did a raffle. Raffle. We did a raffle. And you won $1 million and a brand new BMW Porsche Jaguar. Chopper harder than that now. No. A raffle. We did a raffle and you won $1 million and a BMW. Mr. Scam, you get scam. You win $1 million and a new BMW. You ready? Go! Put your big bump up on the
the bike back. Bumper ready for the back. See the junk on it, you can't ride that. You like that.
When I say let me a percent, I percent.
Let me say, you think I know about blood clot white man this? Look what this weather. You think I'm big cheddar? Go suck on the mama. Me no business, the all of them dead. No more peace, so I'm busting on the head. Kill you all of them from A down to Z. Why them a throw with me, so bullet is dead. For days, say them have gone one ways, but me gone 9 days, but straight in the face. Wait, think say you're big and brave, for 100 man they upon your base. Do all of them fools just a friggin' shot, so me aim to them head with friggin' shot. I'm a white man, no, I'm not friggin' black, but me no fuck back here, me a no bow cat. I grade this smoke, but me don't smoke crack. Shooting farmer, then me kill the rat, and me throw me corner, make us no react. So me make Hackney rise up 100 black. Yo, run up in a war and dead, run up in a war and dead. Me not say no.
But no, man, Baba, if you go spray so much water in him, man, it'll better you beat him. No, man. I beat the one, beat the man, man. How did it you still? Alright. How did you pop back that? I beat the one, beat the man, Baba. Every time man beat himself to pussy cat. And a Baba shopping come.
You miss. Where you jumping at? Move that, take that, move that to half of me. Move that. Where you jumping at? The Gilbert or the father? Where you jumping at? The Gilbert or the father? From what you read the social media now, from what you supposed to feel blood clot to you know, so you come back with a neck straight. You ain't not trouble, you know? I'm up phone. I'm up phone. You can't stay there. I don't know about this. I found out that I come talk about you. What that? It's a curry egg. If you never know about curry egg and fried dumpling, if you never try this, you're gonna stuck on this. Once you love egg and you can eat curry, are the baddest thing this. You hear that? Who know about them things?
Good God, Snapchat, world star.
Red thing, red. Lock me up. No, put up the lock me up. I want you to lock me up, officer. And from what day I notice you, I am going to make a verbal complaint about you. Don't worry about that. You want to see something, man. I asked the police and they will see you. And that man me asked. And that officer me asked to see a girl pass. And the man said she went that way. And you don't talk about say if I'm a kind of worker. You don't have no conscience. You know, you have to talk about lock up. But I'm willing to go to jail because officer, I would have sued you, man.
Me don't want to get too rude and me don't want to get too disrespectful. You know, see me in my clothes, me just do a big boy video. Me in the kitchen and cook. Everybody knows my sister sick who live in a Manique. Right? More time my sister will walk out the road and stop out this and anybody see
Visit
her,
us
they will
on
call
Instagram
and say,
at Duddy_Jankro for
Somebody
full
call me and say,
video.
I sell your sister out of the road. They have to come all the way around it because them try to stop her. Then Kunaman is Christine. Me leave out of